Hey, in this video, we're going to take a look at a scenario that might occur to you if you happen to have multiple Garmin devices that are syncing up their tracks to Garmin Explore, either via your phone or on the device via Wi-Fi, or you manually upload GPS tracks up to Explore. You might run into the situation that if you are syncing tracks, you may not see all the tracks that you're trying to sync. We specifically see this for tracks that are created or sent to MapShare with inReach devices. So in this video, we'll just explain how you can find those tracks and how you can convert them to be synced to other devices on Garmin Explore. So we are on the map page on Garmin Explore, and we can see a couple of tracks here on the map page. You'll notice that we have some tracks that have triangles as the track points. You can see here on the left side that those are tracks that are actually indicator to say that these are synced, can be synced to other devices on your Garmin Explore. However, if you look at these other tracks, which has the circle for a track point, that means that that track is not set up to be synced to other devices. So it's only visible, let's say, on your inReach device. So what we can do here is we need to convert this track to be enabled to be synced to the other devices on your Garmin Express, or next time you're using the Garmin Explore app on your smartphone, you can transfer it to your device and get going. So what we're going to do here is very simple. We have a track here. We can see it in our list, and we're going to look for the convert icon, which is the two arrows going in opposite directions. It says convert, and we're just going to click on it. And basically this will tell us here that we're going to convert the track into a syncable track or a route. So what we can do here is first we're going to change the name of this particular track. So we're going to call this a paddle portage track. And now we're going to save the name, and now we're going to click on the convert, and you can see here that we're going to convert it to a track. I could do it to a route, but I prefer tracks. So you can see here it's going to change that track from the circle to the triangle, which denotes tracks that can be synced to devices. Let's enable syncing, and there, done. Typically you plug in your devices and then you do a sync, but what I'm going to do here, let me flip over to Garmin Explore on my smartphone app and show you where that looks like on the phone. So here we are with the Garmin Explore on the smartphone app. Took a little while to try to find it because there's no real good search feature for this, but I found the exported or converted track under the all section of the library. And just a matter of just scrolling through until we find our paddle portage track name here. So it's here, where is it here? Should find it a little bit more. There it is, paddle portage, and you can see that's indeed is the track. At this point, I can assign it to a different collection. So let's say I'm about to go out, and in this case, I'm going to take it out of my legacy collection because it's converted. I want to move it to one of my other devices, so I think I'm going to give it to the Montana. This would be a good device for this type of trip. Now I can sync it with my cell phone afterwards to it, or I can simply export the GPX file and send it to another app, such as Gaia GPS or whatever other mapping program that you have. And then you can see here that I can quickly filter the import list, and you can see here that I have the paddle portage listed, and now I have a copy of it on my cell phone. So there you go. That's about it. Hopefully this helps you out, and we'll talk to you guys next time.